Grishma, chemistry teacher. Today I am here to discuss some important topic of chemistry, CBSE class 12. So I want to tell something. Whenever we study the concept thoroughly, we understanding the concept and study is better. Okay, so whenever you study, it's very easier to get success whenever you study the understanding the concept. Okay, so today I am here to discuss a chemical process. The process name is contact process. The contact process is used to manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a very important chemical in the industry, and sulfuric acid is also known as king of chemicals. So let's start to how we can manufacture the sulfuric acid in contact process. The first step is that we know that sulfuric acid is H2SO4. H2SO4. So sulfur is the main compound in that sulfuric acid. So starting with that sulfur. The sulfur reacts with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Then sulfur dioxide again reacts with oxygen. Oxidation of sulfur dioxide to form sulfur trioxide, SO3. Then the third step is that the sulfur dioxide react with concentrated H2SO4 and to form H2SO7, that is oleum. Okay, then oleum again react with when it is the main product oleum. The oleum is diluted with water. We get the required amount of sulfuric acid. So these are the steps involved in contact process. Okay, shall we discuss that again in equation? Okay, so discussing the different steps in this contact process. The first step is that sulfur react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. H plus O2 gives SO2. In the second step, sulfur dioxide react with oxygen, oxidation of sulfur dioxide in presence of V2O5. The catalyst vanadium pentoxide form sulfur trioxide. 2 moles of SO2 react with 1 mole of O2 in presence of V2O5. We get 2 moles of sulfur trioxide. This is the most important step in this contact process. It is reversible process and highly exothermic process. So we can get 2 mole of SO3. How we can get 2 moles of SO3, sulfur trioxide? There are 2 most favorable conditions is required. The conditions are, the first one is that an optimum temperature of 723 Kelvin is required to produce this amount of 2SO3, and also a high pressure of 2 atm, 2 atmosphere pressure used in this reaction. Understand? Then the next step is that SO3 react with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. The sulfur trioxide react with H2SO4 to form H2S2O7. Another important product, H2S2O7, oleum. It is very simple to write that SO3 plus H2SO4. So how much S is there? 2 S is there, 2 hydrogen is there, then oxygen 3 plus 4 atoms, 7. That is why H2S2O7. Important product in the preparation of sulfuric acid. That is oleum. Then oleum is important product of sulfuric acid. It is concentrated in diluted. Diluted is oleum. It's mixed with water. We get H2SO4. Sulfuric acid we get. The required amount of sulfuric acid is we can get by diluting the oleum. Okay. So this is the important steps that are involved in contact process. Okay. So we can discuss it another. Then sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. Sulfuric acid is used as a dehydrating. That is, dehydrating means removing the moisture. Dehydrating, for many of the gases can be dehydrated by passing this concentrated sulfuric acid. We can write. Then sulfuric acid is a colorless oily liquid and it dissolves in water, but a large amount of heat is evoked. Okay, so whenever we diluting whatever be sulfuric acid or nitric acid, the acid should be added to drop by drop in the water. Okay, so the acid, the water is not added into the acid. Acid should be added drop by drop in the water in order to dilute whatever the acid. Okay, so sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent and it is dibasic also. Dibasic acid. H2SO4 is a dibasic acid. And its uses. The sulfuric acid has many industrial purposes. It's used in manufacturing of fertilizers, ammonium sulfate, example ammonium sulfate, and in battery storage battery, then manufacture of dyes, stuffs, etc. Then it's used in petroleum refining, and this industry is very useful chemical is sulfuric acid used in many industrial purposes. So it's also a dibasic acid and a strong dehydrating agent. Okay. So concluding this manufacturing process, let's start again. Sulfur. The first step is that preparation of SO2. How we can get SO2? Yes, sulfur react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. The next step, sulfur dioxide, oxidation of sulfur dioxide to form sulfur trioxide. Then sulfur trioxide react with H2SO4 to form oleum. Then diluted the oleum, that is reacting with water, react with the oleum, we get required amount of sulfuric acid we get. Then this is a simple method, manufacturing of sulfuric acid through contact process. And I already said that the H2SO4 is a dibasic acid. How it's dibasic? We can check that. The equation is that sulfuric acid react with water. It ionizes in water, then to form H3O plus hydronium ion, and then HSO4. And again HSO4 is ionizes to form H3O plus and then SO4 2 minus sulfate ion. Okay, so here it is dibasic. 2 H plus ions are formed here by ionizing H2SO4. Okay, so it is a dibasic acid and also it is a strong dehydrating agent. It dissolves in water, but large amount of heat is evoked. Understand? Okay. Thank you.